guys, welcome back to my compiler tutorial. This time we are dealing with macro processor. What a macro processor does is, this is a sample program which is in C. These lines as defined are called macros. What it does is it makes it easy for the user to define functions and substitutions like this. For example, pi is 3.14. Add 1 and then the value x is received as a parameter, and then x is incremented and returned. So in the program we can use these functions and these so-called variables. What the macro processor does is, while it's run, it expands these functions and definitions before executing it. So the code that I've written here will do the same. I've written first I used a while loop to read each line of the program. So if it finds the word as defined as the first word, then the next two words are stored in a string called macro definitions. Then after all the definitions are concatenated together, I've split the string at spaces, and I've stored all the definitions in a string array called def. So all my definitions are in this array called def. Then I again read the program line by line, and this time I check every line with the definition array. If I find anything that can be replaced, I mark that corresponding iteration as j as replace, and then the value will be in I, so the replacement will be in I plus 1, so that is the definition number. And then I set the flag as 1. So if my flag is 0, that means there's no definition in that line, and it will just print the current line. Else, if the flag is 1, I split the string, I split the current line, and then what I do is, if the word is not the word to be replaced, it just prints the word from the current line. Else it will go to replace and print the required definition using the defnum variable. So that's all about the code. We'll run it and see if it works. So you could see here my program, there are two definitions, add 1 x and pi, and it's found add 1 x is in this line and pi is in this expression. This is my definition array, add 1 x with the replacement x equal to x plus 1, and then pi with the value 3.14. Then in the next program I just ignored these hash lines, hash definition and hash include. I just started from void main. So add 1 x is replaced with its corresponding function expansion, and then pi is replaced by the value 3.14. So that's it guys, thanks for watching.